If you want to create a professional YouTube banner with Leonardo AI, this tutorial is going to walk you through the exact steps in a simple, beginner-friendly way. By the end, you'll know how to open the right tool, choose the best settings, write a strong prompt, and generate a banner that looks clean, modern, and ready for your channel. If this helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI and YouTube tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into Leonardo AI on your PC and go to the main dashboard. From here, look for image generation in the center area of the screen and click it. This is the section where you'll create your banner artwork from text prompts, so this is the perfect place to start. Once the image generation page opens, take a look at the settings panel on the left side. This is where you'll control the size and style of your output. Since a YouTube banner needs a wide horizontal layout, you'll want to select the 16:9 aspect ratio. This is the most useful format for creating banner-style graphics because it gives you that wide visual space across the top of your channel. After that, it's time to choose the right AI model. Open the models dropdown and look for Seedream 4.5 or Phoenix. These are strong choices if you want cleaner text handling and a polished final design. That matters a lot for YouTube banners because banners often include channel names, slogans, or visual branding, and you want those elements to look as sharp as possible. Now comes the most important part, your prompt. In the prompt box, describe exactly what you want your YouTube banner to look like. Be specific with your colors, theme, style, and any branding elements. For example, you could ask for a modern gaming banner, a clean tech banner, a personal brand banner, or a minimalist YouTube banner with bold typography and a smooth background. The more specific you are, the better your results will be. A good prompt usually includes the topic of your channel, the overall mood, the main colors, and any text or design style you want. If your channel is about tutorials, you might want something clean and professional. If your channel is about gaming, you might want something energetic and bold. If it's about lifestyle or vlogs, a bright, stylish, and friendly look may work best. Before you generate, make sure the image count is set to 4. This is a smart move because it gives you multiple layout options in one go. Instead of settling for the first result, you can compare all 4 and choose the one that fits your channel best. This saves time and helps you find the strongest banner design faster. Once everything is ready, click the generate button and let Leonardo AI create your banner options. While it processes, think about which result has the clearest layout, strongest branding, and best visual balance. Remember, a great YouTube banner should look good both on desktop and mobile, so clean composition is really important. After the results appear, review each banner carefully. Look at the spacing, colors, readability, and overall design. If the text is too small, the layout feels crowded, or the style doesn't match your brand, go back and refine your prompt. Small changes can make a huge difference, and that's one of the best parts of working with AI image tools like Leonardo. Once you find a version you like, you can download it and use it as your YouTube banner. If needed, you can continue refining the prompt until you get the perfect result for your channel. That's the real advantage here. You can create a custom-looking banner without needing advanced design skills or complicated software. And that's how to create a YouTube banner in Leonardo AI using the right aspect ratio, the best model, and a strong prompt. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.